I'm Kathleen, and I'm going to show you how to glue your pad back to the coil. As you can clearly see, there's about 1 inch of unglued pad. This is going to be an easy fix for you. You're going to take your specialty glue, separate the pad from the coil, and you're going to run a bead down inside. It does not take much. Any excess, wipe off. Now, put pressure. This will actually help to sink the coil in and let the glue come over just a little to touch and catch the coil itself. Now, if the coil is completely detached from the pad, there is no gluing that back. It cannot be glued precisely like it's done at the manufacturer. When you are removing your shoe, to save you the trouble of coming in to have your pad re-glued or having to do that at home, do not put your foot on the heel of your pad and remove your shoes. Use your hand on the heel of the shoe and remove your shoe. Another tip is when you see a wear pattern in a circle on your pad. If you see the metal, this is time for a new set of coils. You will walk more comfortably and it will be a normal pattern on the bottom of your pad.